Welcome! Bear Brothers Cleaning here, Alabama's trusted cleaning experts. Today, we're sharing the secrets to keeping your wood floors beautiful and protected. Wood floors are gorgeous but delicate. Cleaning them wrong can cause permanent damage, warping, and dullness. Here's how professionals clean them safely. Using too much water, harsh chemicals, or the wrong tools can ruin your expensive hardwood. Water seeps into cracks, causing warping, while abrasive cleaners strip the finish and leave floors looking worn and damaged. Here's our professional wood floor method. First, sweep or vacuum with a soft brush attachment to remove all dust and debris. Never skip this step. Next, use a barely damp microfiber mop with wood floor cleaner. Wring it out well, the mop should be almost dry. Clean in the direction of the wood grain using gentle strokes. Never let water pool or sit on the surface. For stubborn spots, use a specialized wood floor spot cleaner. Finally, buff dry immediately with a clean microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and restore shine. Pro tip: never use steam mops, vinegar, or all-purpose cleaners on wood. They'll damage the finish. Perfect! Your wood floors are clean, protected, and gleaming beautifully. Clean weekly with this method to maintain their beauty for decades. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, www.bearbroscleaning.com.